What is Instagram thread and how to use it. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to talk about what is Instagram thread and how to use it. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So first of all, let me just explain you what does thread means. Thread is an application rollout from Meta Instagram. It's exactly like a Twitter app. Okay, you can just tweet there, you can just post anything you want. It's exactly like a Twitter. It's in other words, we can say that it's a competitor of Twitter. So guys, to get this and to use this, I'm going to show you in this video how it's very easy. Okay, so first of all, what you need to do is that you have to go to Instagram, or before this I want to say you something is that you can get the thread app from two different methods. So first what you need to do is that you have to go to your Instagram, and after going to Instagram, click on your profile icon on the bottom right corner and click on these 3 days on the top right corner. And guys, here you can see thread option. You can see, just tap on this thread. Okay, just tap on this thread, and then this type of interface will be pop up. You can see it's something like at the red, but it's a bit different. So you have to click on this. You can see the option, get thread option here on the bottom. Simply tap here. Okay, and then here you can see Google Play Store or App Store. So if you're using iOS, it will show App Store, and if you're using Android, it will show Google Play Store. Just tap on it and then it will redirect you to here, and then here you have to click on this install button. You can see, just tap on install, and then it will get installed. So guys, let us wait until it get downloaded. And also I'm going to show you how you can create a trade account. It's very awesome. You can share your thoughts, and you can share your photos, pictures, and you can retweet also here, exactly like a Twitter. It's gonna be a competition between Thread and a Twitter now, so it's going to be very awesome. So until that, please subscribe to this channel so that I will be motivated and bring up more informative videos for you. So guys, here I have successfully downloaded. And also, if you don't get this option on Instagram, you can just come on Google Play or App Store. You just need to type thread and you can search. You will get this. Now you have to just click on open option, and then you can see it's exactly like Instagram. It's similar to Instagram. Now here, just hold on, it will take a few moments to load your page. It depends upon your system. Here you can see this type of interface, so it will automatically show you your username here. But if you don't want to use this particular username, you just need to click on this switch account option. Just tap on this switch account, and here you can see you'll get the another account also. So let me just go back and then go with the same account. You can see get ready for threads. It's gonna be awesome. Now here you can see automatically it has been synced to my thread. My Instagram account has been automatically synced here. You can see it's exactly like Twitter. You can see now if you click on the search bar, you can just search to anyone you would like to. For example, let me just search for Elenisa. You can see you'll get anything you want. Now here on the button, you can see you can type, hi, what is threads. So you can just post it. Okay, so now you can just post it like this, like a Twitter. If you go to this is notification bar, this is your profile. Here you can see I have just posted this. Someone can retweet this. I have just retweet this. You can see repost, I mean it says repost. Okay, here. So now it's already synced with my Instagram. So this is how you can use thread for Instagram. So I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. If you don't understand anything, or if you're finding difficult to do something, please comment me down below. I'm gonna definitely gonna help you out. Thanks for watching.